guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Today I have the return of the Tribe Beauty Box. I haven't gotten it for a while. I've skipped a lot just because of finances for the most part, and there was some interesting things to me, but nothing that like I really felt like I needed. And then this month it just kind of worked out, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to go back. I'm excited about it. They did get rid of their box this month because they included an extra item. So I did take it out because it was just in a little plastic, not even a bubble mailer. But this is the extra item, and it is a Tribe Beauty little makeup bag. It is very holographic. And then inside is also, there's a handle somewhere in here too. I'll show you when I get to it. But yeah, so that was an extra item. I'm gonna pull out the first thing that got a little smushed because it was not as good of packaging, obviously, because of it being in like a plastic envelope instead of a box. There wasn't as much structure. But this is Surlume by Babe Lash. It is a lash serum. And I'm actually going to pass this on to my friend. She's been really interested in these different lash serums. And I just gave her one that I got in my Cult Beauty Box like forever ago. I had never opened it. So I gave it to her and she was really excited about it. So I'm going to give her this one too. Hopefully it will help her. That retails for $29.99. And this bag is supposed to retail for $19.99, which I'm sorry, this bag is not worth $19.99. It's cute. But no, it's not worth it. Oh, and here's the handle. So you can attach it here, and it's just, it's pretty, like it's sturdy, but it still feels kind of chintzy, the hardware there. But that's there. Next in here are two brushes from Luxie, and these were not at all what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting. They had the numbers, and I was like, oh, I thought it was gonna be a fluffier one. They're not quite so tiny. They're really itty bitty, like itty bitty. This one is the 111 mini flat angled, and it is very flat and angled. And then this one is a blending number 237. It's just a very small blending. I'm used to the larger one that they've had. Anyway, those retail for $24, so they are $12 a piece. Next in here is Pretty Smart by The Balm. Read My Lips is what it's called. And I got the shade Pow. This retails for $15. It is a lip gloss. You've heard me talk about lip glosses before. I am not opening any more lip glosses. Like, there's been a couple of exceptions, but I know that this is not a formula that I particularly really enjoy because I've had a sample of it. So this will be an easy one for me to also pass along and give to somebody else who will get more use out of it, which I'm really happy to do. Then the next thing in here came in a little bit of bubble wrap, which was unusual. And this is what it looks like. It is a serum, and it's very liquidy, very liquidy. This is the Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum by Earth Harbor, and it says Luna Lay, sweetened collagen and superfruit acids. It sounds awesome. Botanical multivitamins as well, and it's supposed to retexturize your skin to reveal more radiant looking complexion while you sleep. It retails for $54. Serums are always so expensive, so I was really excited when I saw that that was one of the things, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it because I love serums and I'm always happy to try a new serum. That one seemed really nice. Next up is from Iconic Beauty. It is a blur stick. This was our choice item, I believe. And they did choice a little different, and it worked super well on my end. I don't know if it was more confusing for them or not, but I really liked it. I chose the blur stick. You could also choose a glow stick. They retail for $15. They do look like the milk, which is kind of funny. This is Iconic Beauty LA. I don't know if I said that. It does have a little cap on it. If I can get it off. There we go. Oh no! That's awful. Yeah, it caused such suction. Like, it's well above. That wasn't the problem. Okay, we're gonna try just a little bit of it on my hand, and then I'm gonna try to put it back maybe let it melt a little bit and then stick it in the freezer and see if that helps. Oh, it feels kind of good on the skin. Like, it's definitely silicone-y. Yeah, so that will be interesting. I could definitely use that because I have a lot of acne and stuff, so something to cover up would be good. And then finally, this is the one I thought it was so pretty, and I was like, you know what, I want it. Wander Beauty. Of course, it's Wander Beauty. They're in everything. This is the Wanderlust Fling eyeshadow palette. Got my scissors. I was prepared for this video, unlike my other video I filmed. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the little flowers on it. Just did a nice job. And this is what it looks like. Just some really nice, pretty colors. If you want, I think it'll go really good with the palette I got in my Ipsy box, to be honest, my Glam Bag Plus. So I'm just gonna swatch them really fast. Wow, that one is super pigmented there on the bottom. You can't really see the tan one. It's not showing up super duper well, but that's okay. And then we'll do the top three as well. You know, when you want an all over the lid shade, that's kind of at the top. It doesn't need to be super obvious. Those are really bright and pretty. I think it's a nice palette. This box is $34.99 every 2 months, and it does charge like in the middle of the month, which is a little bit confusing because you have to remember that if you don't want to do it, you have to cancel by the 14th of the previous month, which is like the biggest problem I have. And there is a $4.99 shipping charge because it does come out of Canada. Okay, going to look. Two things I know I'm passing on. The lash serum, just because I know a friend will really enjoy it. Not that I don't really need it, so I'm happy to pass it along because I know somebody else who really wants it. But the palette, which retails for $25, 2 brushes. I mean, I'll make use of them or give them to someone who will. The blur stick, I think, is kind of nice, different brand that I haven't used. I'm really excited about the serum. Like that and the palette make it worth it for me. And this is cute, but like I said, I don't think it's worth $20 by any stretch of the imagination. So really there's only one dud for me that I know for sure I won't use. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Have you ever gotten the Tribe Beauty Box? Have you ever gone on to their their Facebook group? Because there's a lot of interesting stuff that goes on there. You get to see a little bit of behind the scenes about how she puts together the boxes and stuff as well. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.